Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a music playlist on YouTube in just a few steps. So first, simply open up YouTube and make sure you're signed in to your account. Then simply find any song you like, then click the save button below the video. From here you can then choose create new playlist and give your playlist a name. Then simply set the privacy to public, unlisted or private, depending on what you prefer. And finally, once you're done, you can then click create. So to add more songs, just repeat the process, click save on another video, and select the playlist you just created, and you then be able to add as many songs as you want. So if you want to rearrange the order, simply go to library, then open your playlist and drag the videos into the order you prefer. And that's it. So you've successfully created your own music playlist on YouTube. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.